Oh, hi my friends. Welcome back to my channel. We are already into mid-December. I can't believe it. We're so close to Christmas. So today I'm doing a kind of like goth inspired Christmas look. You know, at first I was just doing a smoky eye, and then it turned into me wanting to add a candy cane stripe in the middle of the smoky eye. I don't know why I did that, but I did. So I'm using my Waiting Room Beetlejuice palette from Cut-Crease Cosmetics. I wanted to do more than just one tutorial using this collection, at least some things from this collection. So I'm using this palette, and I'm just starting out with doing a giant wing-shaped smoky black eye. I didn't really know what I was going for at first, so that's why I did the outer corner first, then the inner corner, and then finished it in the middle, because I didn't know I wanted to do that, but that's what I wanted to do. And then I'm taking the two gray shades from the Waiting Room Beetlejuice palette, and I'm just really smoking out this giant black smoky eye. And then once I was done blending it all out and making it all flawless, I cleaned up the edge and then decided, yep, I'm gonna cut a little line out in the middle of this black smoky eye, and I'm gonna make a candy cane. So I used makeup remover and a Q-tip like a psychopath, and I cut out a line in the middle of my smoky eye. I then used my P. Louise base, and I just kind of cleaned up the edges and made it nice and white. And then I went in with the white shade in the Waiting Room palette, and I just packed it right on top of that line and set it to make sure like nothing moved. If it was still like tacky and wet, the black could seep back into it and make it a gray shade. So I set it with white and then cleaned up the edges with the black shadow to make sure everything was nice and set, basically. But good lord, it was hard. I'll tell you what, I don't know what compelled me to do that, but I really wanted to do a sparkly candy cane striped line in the middle of my black smoky eye. So there you have it. Ta-da! I am using these Colourpop liners. I was thinking about using the pink, but I actually only ended up using the red and the white. And then, you know, I'm still figuring out this new camera, you guys, so I got a little too close and it's a little blurry. I'm so sorry. But basically, I just took the red first, did the lines in between, you know, in that little line that I created on my eye. And then I took the white and just went over the other areas and made it nice and sharp and cleaned it up. That's about it, guys. It was really hard, though. It really was, but I really loved it, and now I have to do the other eye. There we go! 2 hours later! I'm using these Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners. I use these in almost every tutorial with glitter because I'm obsessed with these. So I'm using the shade Pyro for the white, and then I'm using the shade Stonewall for the red stripes, and then I'm going to do a little bit of my complexion here on camera. I didn't do everything, but I did prep my face, and here I am looking at my monitor because this is the first tutorial I did using my new monitor that connects to my camera, so I can really see what's going on. So you might catch me staring at myself a couple times. I'm really sorry. I am now officially a YouTuber because that's what YouTubers do, is stare at themselves in the monitor. I went ahead and did my whole face. I did my foundation concealer and set it with translucent setting powder, and now I'm going in with my Lunatick Cosmetic Labs contour palette, my favorite contour palette in the world, just doing some contouring. Also, I just wanted to mention this real quick. In case you guys didn't know, I do have merch out. They are sweaters and t-shirts that say Hauntingly Glamorous on them. They're so cute. They're by Bonfire. I will have the link down in the description box if you guys want to go buy one. It literally ends tomorrow, December 17th. So if you want to snatch one, go snatch one now. It comes in different colors, goes up to sizes 3XL. They're so cute, you guys. So go get one while you can. Just wanted to throw that out there because it's almost done. I'm using this red liner from Colourpop, and I'm just popping that right in my waterline, and then I'm going to smoke it out, doing the same thing we did on the upper lid. So I'm using black first, and then I'm going in with the two grays and just really smoking it out. Now we're going in for a highlight. I wanted something really sparkly and really blinding, so I'm using this Colourpop highlight, my favorite highlight right now, but it is more of like a tacky kind of cream. And then I'm going to go on top of it with this Artist Couture, it's called Spotlight Glitz, and it's kind of like a glittery, chunky highlight. That sounds really weird. But I just kind of pack it on top of the Colourpop, since the Colourpop is just a tiny bit tacky. If you put a highlight on top of it, it just makes it stick to it really well. So I went a little crazy and did some sparkly highlight. I also highlighted my brow bones, and this is the Sigma brush, the Lash fan brush. It's a little tiny lash fan brush that sits perfectly on your brow bone. I did my inner corner with my liquid liner, and then I'm going in with my Supernatural mascara from Melt Cosmetics. It's the Beetlejuice one. I really like this mascara a lot. Actually, I've been using it pretty much every day. And then I'm gonna put on these Tatti lashes. So cute, really dramatic. And I also went in and tight-lined with my Huda Beauty Lifeliner, the pencil side, just to make sure the lashes blended together. And also, just a quick tip, I also am doing bottom lashes, but it was really hard to get on camera. I'm so sorry. And I also added gems in between each of the bottom lashes, red gems. But the candy cane cut crease line, whenever you guys do something like that, make sure you go above your crease. Like, don't do that in your crease, do it up above your crease. Otherwise, when your eye is open, it's going to fold over and it's going to cause it to get all smudgy and weird and get shadow, like black shadow on it. So just a little tip, make sure you go way over your crease. Do not go in your crease at all when you're doing cut creases in general, honestly. I'm going in with this P. Louise lip liner, and I'm just lining my lips, just a brown. And I'm going in with this Spoiled Cosmetics liquid lipstick called True Love. It is a bright red. I'm obsessed with this color. It's so stinking pretty. But yay! I also popped in these earrings. They're jack-o'-lantern earrings from the Grim Gypsy. In my last tutorial, I used the Grim Gypsy earrings too, but they are super cute. And then my hairpins say Scream Queen in red glitter, and that's from Kreepsville. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas inspired tutorial that was still a little spooky. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I felt super glam. And yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed and you stay tuned for my next video. Bye!